to use condition formatting in Google Sheet? Want your spreadsheet to pop with color? Instead, instantly highlight important trends. A conditional formatting is in Google Sheet makes your data visually speak to you. Automatically change cell color based on the value you choose. Let's divide into this smart time-saving feature that makes your sheets not just useful but beautiful. Open it and then look for the color, or let's highlight it with color first. Then over there you can see I have added a filter, so simply tap on the filter and then over here filtered by color, filter by condition. If you have a condition like average, middle, or greater than, or a certain number, you can always fill it in. So simply tap on filter by color. Your fill color, there is white and yellow. There are two colors, so simply tap on the one you want to see. I want to see the yellow color, so simply I'll tap on yellow. Like this, the only yellow highlighted part can be seen.